So these are the Valentino VLogo signature slip-on loafers. I got them in white because I thought they'd be a beautiful leather loafer for the summer. Now I went for more of a classic style than the chunky, just because I think I can use it for more years to come, versus I think the chunky sole will get out of fashion very quickly, although I would appreciate the extra height. So obviously it comes in the beautiful Valentino Garavani box. Now reading the reviews, they'd all said they ran true to size. So we're going to pop these on and have a look. I ordered them in my normal size 37. So obviously the normal gorgeous packaging with the dust bag, with their paper, and then these are the shoes. So there are tons of designer white loafers out there. The reason I ended up with Valentino is actually because I found them a really good deal on sale. So they are absolutely beautiful. It's got the chunky chain and V logo in the middle. It's got the signature red inside and then the black soles. Now I will say on the soles, yes, it has their name on there. The issue is it's a smooth sole, so you might want to have them resoled to give it a bit of grip. So otherwise I find if you're walking on surfaces like carpet, it gets really slippery. So these are made of calf leather. They're made in Italy and they have a 2 centimeter heel. So let's pop them on and see how they fit. Okay, so you can feel the leather is quite stiff. They're definitely going to have a breaking in period. No, unfortunately, they are a bit big. They are way too wide, more than the length issue, which isn't horrible. I could put an insole in there. I want the fit to be absolutely perfect on them because I wanted them to be a comfortable summer shoe for walking around in versus sneakers or slides. Smarter than sneakers, obviously more support than slides, but these are too big and they've sold out of the size smaller than this. So I feel like they run probably half a size to a full size big. If you have them in a 36 and want to sell them to me, drop them in the comments because I do absolutely love the look and aesthetic of these. So would I recommend buying the Valentino VLogo white loafers? Absolutely. I think they're absolutely gorgeous, classic pair of shoes. You just need to get the right size to fit. So maybe go into the store, try on some loafers, see what size works for you. But unfortunately for me, these are hitting the return pile. If you have experience with Valentino loafers yourself, about the sizing, about other styles of this loafer, let me know in the comments below so maybe I can try some different ones. I'm also going to link these loafers in the description below. It is an affiliate link. I'm going to try and link them a few places because they're selling out really fast because it's an older style. I'll also link some newer styles because maybe I'll get those instead. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe.